If you want to cast YouTube app to TV on your CMF Phone 2 Pro, then all you need to do, once you open YouTube, you should be able to find this icon over here, this rectangle with Wi-Fi looking icon over here. So you should be able to find it pretty much at any point. You don't have to find it in the main menu. You can also find it while watching a video. And once you select it, then you should be able to find all nearby devices, including of course your TVs. And then you should be able to select your TV over here in order to cast the app on a TV and watch the video over there. In case you have issues with detecting your device, your TV, you can also link with TV code over here. So you can tap on this option. You can also find instructions how to get the TV code, and then you can enter the TV code over here and press link. Most likely you also need to use the same Wi-Fi network to be able to make the connection happen. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye.